Hey there guys, Chet here. One of the biggest problems for a growing service business is finding software that is both powerful enough to handle everything, but also simple enough for your team to actually use. This is the exact problem when you face when you look at two major platforms, Jobber and Service Fusion. Now today we're going to put them head to head to help you figure out which one solves that problem best for your business. And by the way, if you'd like to sign up for Jobber, make sure to use the link in the description to get access to a special limited time discount where you can save up to 30%. And as you can see on your screen, anyone who signs up for an annual plan will get 15% off their first year, and those who choose a monthly plan will receive 30% off of their first 3 months. I hope you're not too late to grab this offer, but if you are, don't worry. I'm also giving away custom Notion templates to help you stay organized from day one. These templates are valued at more than $900, but again, you get them completely free when you sign up through my link as a thank you for supporting the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. First, let's take a look at the user experience. Service Fusion is a very powerful and feature-dense platform. It gives you lots of tools and settings to control your business, especially with things like inventory management and detailed job costing. However, having so many features means the interface can feel crowded and less intuitive. It can take more time to learn and to train your team on how to effectively use it. Now, this is where Jobber really stands out. Jobber is famous for its clean, modern, and incredibly easy to use design. Everything is laid out in a simple and logical way, which makes it very fast for you and your new employees to learn. When your software is easy to use, then your team will use it correctly, which means fewer mistakes and more efficient business. Jobber proves that you can have powerful features without a confusing interface. Now let's talk about pricing. Because they have very different approaches, Service Fusion's pricing is not listed publicly on their main packages page. You have to get a demo to see the price. They are known for a model that often includes a higher flat monthly fee that allows for unlimited users, which can be helpful. This can sound appealing if you have a very large team. Jobber's pricing, on the other hand, is completely transparent and flexible. You can see all of the plans right on their website. Their core plan starts at $28 a month. Their popular plan, Connect, is $84 per month, and their Advanced Grow plan is $140 per month. This tiered approach is much better for most businesses because it allows you to start with an affordable plan and only pay for more features and more users as your business actually grows. You're not forced into a high flat fee from the very beginning. So which one should you choose? Service Fusion is a powerful option if you have a very large team and you need its specific deep features for inventory or job costing. But for most service businesses that want a platform that is easy for their team to use, has great customer-facing tools, and has flexible pricing that grows with them, I believe Jobber is the clear choice. It is the modern platform for building a professional and successful service business. And if you're ready to use Jobber, don't forget to use that link in the description that I mentioned earlier to get that special discount. And you'll also get my Notion templates worth more than $900 completely free. Just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. All right, that's it for this comparison. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.